So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I will be showing you how you can scan satellite FTA channels on your SuperBox decoder. So how you're gonna actually navigate through the settings and then scan your SuperBox decoder to get any satellite channels at all. So I've connected a Dstv signal, so I'm gonna illustrate using the Dstv satellite for you to know how you can go about it. So this on your screen is a typical way that you're gonna find your decoder whenever there's nothing on it. So there's no program actually on it, there's no channel on it. So all you have to do is to press on the menu button. This is the SuperBox remote, so I'm using a SuperBox decoder as well. So you press on the menu button over here for the menu to open up, and here we have some option over here that you can use your remote arrow keys over here, top, down, left and right, and then navigate through the option. So you come to the first option, which is the installation. You press OK on it. The middle here, you press OK on it, and here it's requesting for the default password of your decoder or any FTA decoder that you are using. Maybe you are using a different FTA decoder to proceed with this setting. So every FTA decoder, if no one have ever changed the password, is supposed to be 40. So you type on the 0 button over here 4 times to fill in the box, and you proceed 0000, and it has to open up. And here we have some option over here: the installation type, antenna settings, satellite list, and it's already on the satellite setting. That's why these settings have been displayed. So the installation type, most often when you press on it or whenever you come to the installation, you will actually see the T2 option over here. So you have to change it by selecting the S2. The T2 is for the antenna setting or the digital channel setting. So you need to select the S2 for the satellite settings to be displayed on it for you to go through and do whatever you want to do with your settings. So here we have the antenna setting, that's the first option, and we have the satellite list, transponder list, motor setting, limit setup, DVB finder. So you come to the first option, that's the antenna setting. You press OK on it. So here we have the antenna settings being opened up, and we have a given selected satellite folder with its settings as well. So we have to select a satellite folder which we're going to use to do this kind of settings. So we will be selecting the Dstv exact satellite, which is the Eutelsat 36B or C on the 36 degrees east. So you press OK on the satellite option for the satellite folders to open up. So the satellite over here are just satellite folders being installed with their attached TPs in it. So if you are to track for a different satellite, you can just select a particular satellite folder, and you proceed to add a TP in it. And if you don't want to actually confuse yourself that much too, you can go back here, press on exit, you come back here, you come to the satellite list, and on this page you can add your own satellite by pressing on the red button over here for the add menu to open up. So say the satellite number 4, so I need to maybe delete one satellite for me to get to do what I want to do on it. So let's see, Intelsat 902. I will be deleting this satellite right there. So alright, yellow to delete, yes. Alright, so now we can add by pressing on the red option. So as you can see, you have the satellite name. You can select, let's say, Dstv. Let me go back. So that's how you can add your own satellite as well. So here we'll be selecting the Eutelsat 36 to proceed by coming to the antenna settings page, select on the satellite option, and then use the arrow to look through the option, and then place it on the exact satellite folder which you want to use to scan or do your settings. So we have the Eutelsat 36 over here. You select it by pressing OK on it, and we have the LNB type to be KU band. So if it's a different option, you select the KU band. The LNB frequency is supposed to be a universal figure, so you place it on this particular universal option. And the transponder is the most important thing that will let you get your signal quality. So you select a primary transponder, which is 12245 horizontal 2750. So I'll be highlighting the primary TP on your screen. You can proceed by selecting it. So this is the exact TP after selecting it. And if in case the FTA decoder that you are using, you cannot find this exact TP on it and you want to add on your satellite, you need to press on the exit, because on this page you cannot add. And then you come to the transponder list page, you press OK on it, and you press on the SAT button over here, the SAT button, for the satellite option to open up, to select. So when the satellite option open up, you select the particular satellite folder which you likely add the TP in it. So here you press OK on the Eutelsat 36A or B, and then you add a TP by pressing on the red button over here for the add menu to open up, and then you add a TP which is 1 2 2 4 5, and we have the same way to be 2 7 5 0 0. Okay, and the polarity is horizontal, is already on it. So transponder already existed, as you can see. So after adding it, you select it, you highlight it, and make sure the quality is showing. Even if it's not showing, all you have to do is to go straight to the satellite dish to align it for you to get a signal quality. And the next thing is to search. And on this page with the search option, you will not get enough of the search, simply because it's only limited on the manual search. So as you come here, it has been logged on the manual search, so you need to go back to the antenna settings page once again. After adding your preferred TP, come to the antenna settings page, you look through the option, you place it on the Eutelsat 36A or B. Okay, Eutelsat 36. Alright, so it is only here, and then you come to the transponder, you select the primary transponder, which is 122.525 12245 horizontal 27500. So you place it on it, so it's here, and you come down here, make sure that the dissect, if there is no dissect settings that you have, you come to the blue option for the scan menu to open up, and then you select the brand search, you press OK, and you wait for the search to complete, and you are good to go. So if you have watched this video up to this far and you are new to the channel, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we keep coming back for more. So I'll be looking through the channels that we're gonna get after it's been done with the search. So you don't have to do anything over here, just leave it for the search to complete, and you proceed by pressing OK, and you are done with it. So that's it. If this video has been helpful, as I said earlier, share the video, like, comment below. Even if you don't have anything to comment, just say something for this video to get more eyeballs. So thanks once again for watching and being here. So bless up.
I'm walking alone streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.